Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete Instagram search suggestions. It's really simple and easy. Open up the Instagram application here. Now, it's quite annoying when they go and pop up. For example, when I go to this search and simply search it, and now you can see I didn't have any, but let's say if I'm going for this Anis here, and if I'm going to search here, now as you can see, it will be display here, and you can go and see all your recent searches and sort of suggested searches. So there are two different ways you can do this. The first way is by coming to your Instagram profile, and what you need to do is go into top right corner, these three bars, and then you can see these options. You can see the third option, your activity. Tap on it, and then what you need to do is scroll down this page here, and you will see this option, recent searches. Tap on it. Now it's only showing one, but you should have the recent searches option somewhere, so click here, and now here you will see all your recent searches. In you can see this clear all option in the top right. Just simply tap on it, and now simply tap on this clear all, and then you can see this option. You won't be able to undo this. If you clear your search history, you may still see accounts you have searched for as suggested result. I am going to click on this not now because I want to go and show you a second method for this. So another way you can go and clear your search suggestion is from search page itself. So if you go and click on search, you can see this. We can clear it from here. All you need to do is click on this see all in the top right corner, and then in the top right tap on this clear all, and as you can see the same pop up. Just simply tap on this clear all and you are good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.